In this fast-changing and fast-paced world, one has to be competent enough to be able to survive, and economic progress is often used to measure a country's success. Ilagan City, as one of the largest cities in the Philippines, truly shows its modernization as a sign of progress. Its economic condition and the overall financial status of the city is measured through businesses, space industry, and in commercial and trade transactions. Because of this, every Lagueños is very much expected that a good command of higher opportunities for employment calls for the people, wherein it can solve every individual real-life problems, as well as to overcome life's trials and to be equipped with the right knowledge in all aspects. As the city of Ilagan continues its progression, the local officials executed plans of alleviating burdens through the erection of Lulutan Bridge for faster transportation that will interconnect the community to the business hub and modernization. On July 1, 2011, they started the construction of the Lulutan Bridge that supposedly end on October 2, 2013. But until now, the construction of the bridge is not yet finished. In the past years, they built a bridge in the said place wherein immediately destroyed by a typhoon. We tried to interview the engineer of the said construction, but we failed. August 4, 10:25 a.m., we came back to the said place and hoping that our question will be answered.
Or variation of yung minsan hindi mo inakalang na mangyayari, di ba? Kailangan mo, di ba? Para magawa mo yung tulay yun.
Ay sir, kaya po na-stop yung paggawa doon dahil kulang po sa budget or...
Hindi naman sa kulang sa budget, yung meron kasi dyan na sa contractor, siyempre pag hindi ka binabayaran sa ginawa mo, anong gagawin mo?
Stop.
So wala kang pambili ng materials mo, so you stop. Sa yun, sa factor yun. Nasa kontrata sa yun pag sa conditions of contract kasi meron yung sinasabi doon na yung sa pagbabayad sa mga accomplishment ng contractor, there is siguro around 30 days siguro yun. Pag hindi mo nabayaran siya within 30 days, yeah, I'm not sure 30 days or 45 days, pero mayroon siyang right na huminto sa conditions of contract. Meron yan yung mga conditions of contract.
So yung mga ginagamit doon, sir, may mga materials din ginagamit. Yung contractual ba ang sir? Ang nagsasabi kung yung cost niya or yung mga kailangan pa ganun? Or kayo mismo, sir, na nagmo-monitor doon?
Ito yung budget kasi ito is predetermined na ito during the bidding.
Nasa bidding na, sir.
During the bidding, meron kasi yung engineer's estimate, yung lang yun, yung hindi pinapakita yun That is a confidential estimate from the government. So they're going to bid this project, so they will invite, say, qualified contractors. Usually they are inviting this class AAA contractors with this kind of project. Because it will not entertain any contractors lower than that category. Always AAA in this 700 million, that is AAA contractor. Ang pwede lang makipag-bid. So if you are, if the government will invite you for this kind of bid, magsasabit ka ngayon yung yung company profile mo, nakalagay na yung mga trabaho na ginawa mo, na similar to this, ganyan. So, at saka yung mga tinatawag nila na yung staff mo, mga technical staff mo, meron ka ba? Capable ng mga technical staff mo. Tinitignan ng lahat yan. Kung nagbibid sila, ikaw, isang contractor, tatlo kayo. So during the bidding, Hindi nyo alam yung engineer estimate niya, confidential yan. So,
On the other hand, it is the residents who came from different barrios will supposedly benefit in the said project. But in the case of these students, this is their everyday situation just to attend their classes every day because they believe that this way of grievances is not a hindrance for them to achieve their dreams. While many are expecting and praying for the immediate completion of the said structure, there are also individuals who are silently hoping for the construction to take longer, just like in the case of these banqueros, affecting their only source of living.
Kita nyo kada araw. Opo.
Ano, 250
Per day po yun.
kasi ito lang.
Natutustusan naman po yung pang-araw-araw nyo.
Wala na.
Kulang po yun. Aside po doon, may iba po ba kayong pinagkakakitaan?
Kuhaan ko may bukit.
Po?
May bukit kami.
Paano po kung natapos na po yung tulay? Paano po maapektuhan yung kabubuhay nyo po?
May epekto kasi pag natapos ng tulay, siyempre may epekto yan kasi wala kami buhay sa iyo. May bukit kami, pero konti naman maiwan.
Kung sakali pong kunyari po natapos na po yung tulay, ano po nung gagawin nyo? Kung para po may pang-araw-araw po kayong gastusin yun.
Kung kami lang, maglalambat na lang kami dito.
Mangingisda po kayo.